so today in this video we are going to be opening up another, this one's heavy, another Triyit box. These are 100% free. You just sign up at the website. I think they're open for new sign-ups. I don't know. But literally you don't need to be like an influencer or anything. They just like select certain people, send these out, and you open them up and see what the deal is. So this is this one. This one I have actually had a look because I've had these a few days, and I'll show you what we've got inside this one. We got Zen B, beetroot, orange, and cacao, some nibs. I'm terrible at pronouncing shit like that. We have got Resolution Premium Beer by Marsden's, which is 88 calories. Pretty nice. Like a good beer. We have got an apple juice burst. This reminds me every time of when I went to New York. I went to New York and I was drinking this in, was it CVS in New York? I can't remember, but they had some of these like next to the counter in little refrigerators, and it just reminds me of New York, so I'm looking forward to having that. We have got Aqua Libra, which is a pineapple sparkling water. Sorry, pineapple and grapefruit sparkling water. No sugar, no sweeteners, no calories. So yeah, I do love a good sparkling water that's got a nice bit of taste to it. I hate these waters where it's like, oh, it's got a hint of strawberry and you can't taste the strawberry. So I love the ones where you get the really nice kick of a nice strawberry flavour. So let's put these back in this box, because this is another one where I got two boxes. If you remember last time's one, I got two boxes as well, because not everything would fit in one box. So this is the other one. This one, Lila has been trying to get in it, and I can understand why. So with these, you get a little advertisement for the dog item that's in here. You get the campaign booklet. You get this with everyone, and you can like win different things by taking photos of different items. Like it tells you what to do and everything. So yeah, that's that. Then you have a Snapshare win thingamabobber. Don't run off and try your products. Take a good look through the campaign booklet. So yeah, these are the bug bakes. I'm not 100% sure about these because they are literally insect meal. But Lila's really been wanting to get into this box, so maybe she likes these, I don't know. Then we've got these, so you don't always get like food products. This one is the Cheeky Panda plastic-free bamboo pocket tissues. So that's those. I mean, I woke up this morning with a cold, so yeah, that's probably going to come in handy over the next few days, to be honest. And then my favourite item in the whole box is this, because I absolutely love granola. So, Verival, the Australian organic company, organic granola berry. So, yeah, this is granola with berries, high in fibre, vegan, palm oil free. Now, there's different ones that you can get of this. You can get a chocolate one. I've had a chocolate granola before, and it's incredible. Like the one from Tesco, I think it's about £1.50. It's amazing. I love that granola. But granola, if I'm having granola, if it's not the chocolate one, I prefer it just plain. I don't know why, because there's absolutely nothing wrong with berries. I like berries on their own, but I don't particularly... I think they're okay in this, but I prefer berries on their own and I prefer granola on its own. I'm talking rubbish. But yes, that is the Triyit box. I'm really looking forward to actually trying it because it's been sat downstairs for a few days and I've not looked at it since I've opened it. So it's good to get it open, and our Lila can now enjoy the weird insect things. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Adios.